Hi everyone. In this capsule, let us discuss about the uniform motion, non-uniform motion, acceleration and types of acceleration. First of all, let us see what do you mean by a uniform motion. If an object is traveling equal distances in the equal intervals of time, then we will say the body is traveling with uniform speed. So first thing is, in the uniform motion, first thing is uniform speed, and of course the next one is uniform velocity. In this figure, a body started A and traveled to B in a curved path. That means the body traveled certain distance from A to B. Now, from the definition of uniform speed, if the body is traveling or covering equal distances in the equal intervals of time, that means the body traveling x distance for every 1 hour. So, traveling equal distances in the equal intervals of time. In this situation, we will say the body is traveling with a uniform speed. And of course, speed will be x kilometers per hour. Now the second thing is, the body displaced from C to D, and the body is displaced from C to D such that for every 1 hour the displacement is y kilometers. So the displacement is same when the time intervals are same. That means the body displaced equal displacements in the equal intervals of time. So it has equal displacements in the equal intervals of time. In such a condition, we will say the body is traveling with a uniform velocity. And of course, the uniform velocity is y kilometers. The uniform velocity is y kilometers per hour. So, if the body traveling equal distances in the equal intervals of time, then we will say the body is traveling with uniform speed. If the body is covering equal displacements in the equal intervals of time, we will say the body is with uniform velocity. This is about uniform motion.